I've got a problem. I've got an aviary at the bottom of my garden, and there's been mice coming back and forth, helping us out with a bit of seed, and it hasn't really bothered me too much because there wasn't many. I kept my seed in a shed, a brick shed, next to the aviary, and it was in a plastic tub, no problem. But lately, the buggers have managed to find their way into my shed, and they've basically decimated a whole 25 kilogram sack of seed. I've been putting it in a plastic bucket with a lid on and hanging it on the ceiling, hoping that they're not going to find their way up there. But I've just come in and the bucket's swinging about on the ceiling. And I'll show you now. He's sitting up there, he's hiding from me. Don't know if there's any others in there or not. Now, I'm a great animal lover. I don't want to hurt any animals. I don't like the traps. I don't want to poison them. I don't want to kill them if I can help it. So I've got some humane traps I got off Amazon, and they got pretty good reviews. So I'm gonna set them. We're gonna put a bit of chocolate biscuit or something in it because they seem to find chocolate irresistible, and we'll see how many we can catch. But these buggers they're tame, because quite often I'll go into the aviary to redo the food, and they're sitting in the food bowl eating seed as I'm holding it. And I'm like, get off! And he's just looking at me while he's eating his sunflower seed. And it's really strange that these mice, it's almost as if they're domesticated mice. But anyway, they gotta go, because I can't afford to be spending £50 a month on bird seed for the mice, so. Okay, so this is what we've come up with as a humane mouse trap, and apparently it can catch up to a dozen mice in one go. I bought these a couple of years ago for a family member, so I've stolen back. But they're quite a simple design, really. As you can see, there's two of these, and they go at each end of the trap like that. So it's basically an open end. And what will happen is, as soon as the mouse stands on the ramp at the end there, that closes behind it. The mouse steps off the ramp. As soon as it steps off the ramp closes, and there's no way for him to get out again. For the bait, a good old chocolate penguin. Okay, bait it up. Let's close the lid in that corner over there. Come back tomorrow and see what we've got. Oh my goodness. So there must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mice in there at least. So going forward, I'm going to set this trap every day, and then every day on the way to work I'll release them somewhere. And I'm thinking if I keep doing this every single day, coupled with the fact that now I have my food in a sensible container, I think I shall be able to keep on top. If you're interested in these humane traps for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.